Alrighty. So I entered my trade. Um, I got into market a little early. Market opened around here, or late. Market opened around 9:30 Eastern time, so 7:30 my time. Took a pretty risky trade here, but I felt confident going into it just by the levels I see. And on ES we have equal lows, so pretty confident we're making moves down. Um, I have my first take profit here. And then my second take profit is going to be here. So once we come down, hit these levels, I secure, and then I'll set break even. We're risking about 3.5 to 1. So it's like 4 to 1 risk to reward. But yeah, see how this one plays out. So hopefully we come in hot. Market gives me some volume. And we get this ball rolling. And I just hope we don't like this. Make moves up. That's what I'm worried about. It's going crazy right here and then making moves up. But see how this one plays out. Just gotta be patient with it. Just gotta let it ride. Felt confident after we broke structure right here on 5. As you can see, we came down, broke structure, and then we made more moves down. We also have these equal 5-minute lows. So hopefully we can snag those. So I do want to secure right when it hits Tokyo, and then maybe secure another profit after it comes in and snags that. But I gotta be patient with it. Let the trade play out. Setting my stop at these 5-minute highs. Mary came into this gap, tapped into it. All I'm looking for is this gap right here. This gap right here. So it's a 5-minute. I don't know if everybody's having a good morning. Come on. If this trade right here does hit though, I don't think I'm gonna trade tomorrow. Blessing. So the best part of trading, the patience. Gotta learn the patience. All right, spend a 5 minute gap. Probably my biggest trade of the week. Make some good moves down. What's this? About 101 maybe. 145 is solid. Is this 101? Yeah, pretty much. Usually market likes to go all crazy around this time, so see what happens. Body's all sore. Hit chest yesterday. Just lifting it. You know, I can really Bojo later. A little sparring session with the boy Aaron. That's gonna be fun. I'll update you guys. I'll just let the trade right out. Probably gonna cut the camera real quick. Okay, okay. So we came down, hit. There's a low. This is where it's gonna get a little scary. Um, we already came up, made a pretty good move up. I'm hoping we don't come up and break structure here. We're just gonna have to wait. I am gonna secure profits when it comes down to here. Hopefully we can make moves down though. Like I said, break even. Just gotta wait and give it a little bit more time. So do like how we're looking though. So I'm gonna check the ES real quick. We already came down so these lows. Hopefully we're coming down to target these. We already inversed that imbalance and inversed this imbalance. So that is a good sign. Still, gotta wait for this structure down here to get broken. Hoping this one gets tapped into because we also have this 5 minute low. So hopefully they want to target those two. And this one. I mean, yeah, I mean, they're not big draws like the ones I have marked out. They're hourlies. So they're not heavy on the work, but I'm just worried about making reversal after coming into Asia low. So it's my big thing. Just gotta be patient. Just gotta be patient. Just watching this real kind of funny. See the dog just not able to eat. He's too tired. What is dog? Too funny. Right, I seen the most craziest speech. One of the Seahawks players straight up just dogging on everybody. He's like, "You got anybody to say? You got anything to say about my defense, my quarterback, my team, Seattle? So F you." He was straight up like that. Those after Super Bowl speeches be funny. 'Cause they be saying what they really want to say during their interviews after the game. Hmm. All right. Coming in lower. So I like to see. Give me a sec. There we go. Let's do this again. So it moves up. Hopefully, it's consolidating right here, trying to decide which way it wants to go. I'm gonna go ahead. Honestly, the way it's looking right now, just gonna still be patient. Honestly, I'm not even gonna wait. I'm not even gonna set nothing. I'm not gonna secure nothing. Not gonna set nothing. Just gonna still be patient. If it wants to move up, it'll move up. Just gotta wait, let the trade play out. Yeah, just be patient with it. That's it. That's it. Actually, gotta go to the restroom, so I'll be back. I'm back. So market rate moves down. If we come here, I'm gonna go ahead and secure profits. Gonna be patient with it though. And take profit one hit. So I'll go ahead and secure, patient with it. Um, honestly, making a good run right now. Got my trade locker, don't want to load on here. All right. Set break even, partial close, go half my lot. Man, solid pickup right there. Probably move this a little bit down as well. Maybe about right there, just so we're in profit, just in case. Sometimes it likes to wake me out and then go negative. It's so bad, but you just gotta be a little bit more patient with it. Let's hope for the best. Right now, currently up 318.30. Boom. Yeah, so now I'm just gonna wait, be patient. Hopefully profit comes down here. Look at ES. Let me see what they're doing. ES is making crazy moves, but we did hit this low down here, so hopefully we don't make a reversal off of that. Hopefully we keep moving down, coming down to, is this a low right here? It is, but I'm not sure what time frame because it kind of came up and went down and up. As we can see, we opened here. Oh yeah, 30-minute low right here. So hopefully ES comes down, takes that out. So I really do want this low to get grabbed. Yes, this low hasn't got grabbed yet, but on Nas it did. Naswick did moved up, so hopefully we make move down on Nas. Just gotta be a little bit more patient with it. It really moved up. Come fill these orders. So now making more moves down. Broke structure to the downside, which is good. Now all we're gonna do is just wait. Just be a little bit more patient. Let the trade right out. Currently floating in profit about 400. About 400. So see what this does. Hopefully, hopefully we get some more volatility. We might make a little bit more moves up, but that'll come. So here's already happened. We're at 10, right? We're at 10, as you can see, we always have something going on. That's why I marked it out on my chart just so I'm aware. Just let it play out. And obviously around 10:30, we get the deciding factor of what's going to happen next. Um, and that's been happening like throughout the entire trades that I've been taking. So we come down and look at yesterday's trade. And we just look at honestly just any trade that I've taken. Um, should load. All right, so we get market open here. And then around 10, around 10 here, we get that candle of it moving all over the place. So let me work this out real quick. So you guys see what I see almost all the time and why I feel like 10 o'clock is like the right read. So wow. Look, come on. Load. As you can see right here. What the- Where'd it go? As we see right here, we get like this move up, and then we get the deciding factor going back down. And here, here too, like right before it happens, 1050 or 950. Here we get boom, boom, move down, boom, boom, move down. So I know you can be like, oh, but every time it does that, like right here, right here, right here. Yes, but at market open, like that's what you're looking for, right? Market open here. Okay, so we get the deciding factor about 15 minutes into it, right? 15 minutes into it, around 9:45, we get the deciding factor. Okay, it's gonna move up, boom, manipulate it, can consolidate a little bit here, and then it's moving back down. But again, you gotta be patient with it. That's it. That's what sells it. Just gotta hold it for a sec, and then wait, and then you'll get your deciding factor of what it's going to do in that time frame. But again, like here, like there's a trade that I took like 2 days ago where it did the exact same thing where it was consolidating, consolidating, and then deciding where it was going to go. So, for instance, like 15 minutes into the market, you wait here, which is what I entered on, right? So we were consolidating up top. I wanted to manipulate up because obviously people were thinking, okay, we're going high because how close these draws on liquidity are, right? These draws on liquidity are really close. So I wanted to manipulate us here, but in pre-market around 8:30, which when pre-market is, so around 8:30, market moved up. Pre-market was telling us, okay, we're going up. It already filled some of the orders that needed to go up here. So then as we were making moves down, we were making moves down. Boom, we swept something right here. I believe it was London highs in pre-market. Pre-market swept London highs and they moved down, which was telling me that market open wanted to move up to tap into it, either order block or breaker block, one or the other. Here, boom, moved up, tapped into it. As we can see, the wicks. That's why they're so strong here. So that means our sellers are taking over because our wicks were so high up here. So I'm already thinking, okay, we're gonna move low on the day here. Then also what drew me is one, we had Tokyo session still not tapped into. We had this low still not hit. Then we had this low, and then on ES we had equal lows, and then we also had equal 5 minute lows. So on that, so that's what was kind of drawing me to the downside today. Um, if we look here, we had wick, 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 wick. Even you can even count these as wick, like crazy wicks. So I'm thinking, okay, we're wicking here, but we already swept London highs pre-market. So if we're wicking so high up, that means our sellers are taking over. At the end of the day, our sellers are taking over because even here we have wick down, but we closed in a sell. We have a wick down, closed in a sell. These I won't really count as wicks because they're equal wicks. I'm not gonna even count it as a doji. But then we had our doji open because I believe that was a doji. Yeah, we had a doji at open. So that's telling us, all right, we're gonna go a little crazy for a market open, right? We also had news at 8:30. Um, unemployment claims, I believe it was, and then these highs were long targets for people. So they're assuming, all right, people are going to go high. Well, we need to stop them out so we can go higher. So boom, boom, we make moves up. If you weren't patient, and then on 5 minute, we broke this structure here, right there. That told me, okay, we're going to go low on the day. Got a perfect timing trade here. Made this gap after we closed down here. I entered right there. 5 minute broke structure. We closed and it opened up a new 5 minute at 9:45. Boom, move down, move up, and then we're making moves down. That got me confirmation, and then we just needed to be patient and just wait. And that's it. It's pretty simple. I know it doesn't seem simple, but it seems simple to me. But it really just comes with time and just seeing constant patterns that you've normally seen. So yes, now we're just waiting. Hopefully this thing hits full take profit. If not, honestly, I'm gonna give it the next 10 minutes. So it's what, 30 seconds left. Hmm. The next 10 minutes, the next. I'm just hoping. Hopefully we don't make moves up here. Hopefully. But I'll catch you guys. I'll update you guys when trade's finished, honestly, because I don't want to let you guys sit here and just wait, because I got to do that. So I'll update you guys when, yeah, we're done. Hey, full take profit. So it was a good day, good trade today. Um, but yeah, I'll update my profits on the Instagram. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow.